How to log in into a VRchat account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to VRchat account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the VRchat on your phone. And now here once you're inside the app, just tap on the login button which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the login screen. Now here in this section, if you have your Google account connected with the VRchat account, you can simply go ahead by tapping on sign in with Google, or you can do either with Discord. But if you haven't connected, then you can just tap on login. And now here in this section, you simply have to enter your username or email at the first box. And now once you're done with that, you can just tap on password section and there you can simply enter your password. And now here once you're done with it, you can just tap on login button, and here if your account has two-factor authentication enabled, then you need to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email or authenticator app, and once logged in you'll be taken to the VRchat home menu where you can join worlds, chat with friends and explore. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.